fast.
You first.
My name is Sarah Connor. August 29, 1997 was supposed to be Judgment Day. But I changed the future, saved 3 billion lives.
Sarah! You may have changed the future.
The whole body's a weapon. Sorry.
But you didn't change our fate. Nobody else is gonna die because of me! I know you're scared, but I'm here to protect you.
I'm going to help you.
If you don't make it, everybody dies!
I'll be back. When this is all over, I am going to kill you.
I can see you're very upset.
Enough of a resume for you.